Today we're making big boy loaded chicken pasta in Brussels, perfect for bulking. It is packed full of vegetables like carrots, Brussels sprouts and spinach, while also being full of protein from the chicken. It has 81 grams of protein and 885 calories. It has been my go-to meal for the last couple of months, and let's just say, I've gotten a whole lot sexier since. So welcome to episode 1 of
Definitely not a cooking.
For this recipe, we're going to need all of these things. You can pause the video here. I'm also going to mention them when we're going to use them. First, start by cutting 300 grams or 3 to 4 medium carrots and 200 grams or 2 small onions into small cubes. Then add 30 grams or 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pan. Let it heat up to medium heat and add 1.4 kilos or 3.1 pounds of a minced chicken. If 1.4 kilos of chicken is too much, you can also add just 900 grams or 2 pounds. Before breaking up the chicken, I like to spread it out on the pan and let it develop some color, as colored meat is always better. Remember to keep your kitchen clean while doing so. When the chicken is about 90% done, make space in the center of the pan and add in the carrots and onions. On top of that, add 4 grams of basil and 8 grams of paprika. Mix it up and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add in 500 grams or 1.1 pounds of Brussels sprouts and let it cook for around 5 to 10 minutes. Mine were frozen, but you can also defrost them beforehand like I did with my spinach. For the spinach, I also use frozen as they are a lot cheaper and easier to handle, but you can also use fresh. If doing so, I suggest cutting it into as small pieces as possible. After 5 to 10 minutes, take 400 grams or 1 can of chopped tomatoes and add them to the pot, as well as 500 grams or 2 cups of milk, 1 cube of chicken broth. You can also use 500 grams or 2 cups of stock, 300 grams or 1.5 ounces of pasta, 500 grams or 2 cups of water. Mix it up and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Remember to stir once in a while so the pasta doesn't get stuck on the pan. While waiting, clean your kitchen. A clean kitchen equals a clean mind, and a clean mind equals enlightenment. Congratulations, you're basically a monk now. When the time is up, add 50 grams or half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 100 grams or 0.88 cups of cheddar cheese, 250 grams or 8.88 ounces of spinach. Also, I forgot to add 5 cloves of garlic earlier, so do that as well. But oh well, I'm not a cook. Turn off the heat, mix it up and let the cheese melt. Congratulations, you are done. Time for plating. This recipe makes 5 servings, as 5 days is how long food usually lasts in the fridge. I use these containers from IKEA, but any airtight container will work. Divide the food into the containers and pat yourself on the back, because that's it. Now go get sexy. Love you.